Hello guys, here I am again, Gamer01, and today I've got a little update, as I want to inform you guys about. Well, first, this MOC has finally got a name. This got a name now. A subscriber of mine named Gun Crew, he commented that it had to be something about death, fangs. So that's pretty much what it's gonna be. And then I have myself MOC in the works. This is not gonna be the final thing. Definitely not. I plan to improve him a lot, so he's gonna look a lot better than this, and he's definitely gonna be taller. Anyway, yeah, I first of all want to just say one thing. First of all, the thing here is that I have started my own bionicle fan group on Google Plus. So if you guys are interested, you can go join it. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and yeah, I hope to see some members also. See some members. And see some content on the channel or group, because I wanted to start my own little community, and I thought about doing it because I felt it would be fun, and and we could do some hangout calls. We could do a lot of shit like that, and I chatted with a guy I'm friends with on Google Plus, a friend of mine, pretty much. We met each other via the internet not long ago, and it was a few days. It was a little while ago, but I just chatted with him over via Skype, and pretty much we were speaking a lot about the Wave 2 coming out in final 2015, a little about MOCs and shit like that. We also have we were talking a bit about stuff, so that's that. But he is also a member of the group, and he's gonna be one of the leading members. Pretty much, he's gonna be. I'm the owner of the group, pretty much. So he's gonna help me lead it, kind of, as you could say. Also, I have invited a few of you guys, the Gun Crew and Warframe boys. They have been invited. So, I also hope you guys join soon. But apart from that, there's nothing else really. Once you join, there are some rules you have to read and all. And again, I'll leave a link to the group in the description when as soon as I can, and I will talk to you guys later.